Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I can't thank you enough. So, my Kabbalistic people, today I have a quick one that I want us to deliberate on. Please, any information you come across in this platform, do well to share it because I am here for you. Yes, I am here to serve you. I told you, I said, there is no information, there is no latest update that I will not bring to you. Count on me. So, the latest one that I have brought today said the family of Mnk'S Kanu raises alarm over sporadic shooting around Kanu's house. Hey, hey, hey. My wonderful family, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. This is something that is happening right now in Umuahia, the family house of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hear the news in details. Sporadic shooting was Saturday evening, reported around the Umuahia country home of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kanu's younger brother, Prince Emmanuel, who raises the alarm, claims that a detachment of police personnel stormed the entrance gate to the father's palace and started shooting. The reason for the shooting is not yet ascertained as at the time of filing this report. Prince Emmanuel said that the Nigeria police should be held accountable should anything happen to members of his family. Collaborating this, an eyewitness who simply identified himself as Michael said that the police personnel who drove in a Hilux came from the gate of the commissioner of police in the neighborhood. He said that when they were accosted, they could not offer any concrete reason for their mission and later returned to their base. Mnk'S said that the shooting created panic around the vicinity as people fled their home. He said that they were now living in fears over the intimidation of security agencies. When contracted the police public relations office in charge of Abia State, Ogbonna said he was not aware of the incident. Can you imagine this? He, however, promised to make inquiries. We are getting this update today from the Vanguard News. And what Mazi Kanu wrote, this intimidation by Nigeria police in my family home got to stop. Don't remind us of 14th 09 2017. Stay away from my family, I warned. I know that a lot of people will not understand when he said they should not remind the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu about 14th of August 2017. That was the day that the federal government of Nigeria came up with the Operation Python dance. Yes, so that led to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu flew for his dear life. And today, a lot of people are saying that they are not aware about it. So now the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu reminding people again, reminding the world that this thing has happened before. And you heard from what the neighbor said, that they are now living in fear. People are not packing out of their home in Umuahia. People are not packing out of their home. People that stay close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the vicinity, the environment, people are now running for their dear life. Now tell me, they said Christmas is coming in a week time. Let me use that word. In a week time, and people are not even safe in their own home, their own domain, before talking about their own country, where you call your country home. you are not safe. There is nothing you are going to be proud of. When you said, oh, you are running away for insecurity, the people that should protect you, protect properties, protect your life, protect your children, protect everything that concerns you, they are even the people putting fear on you. This thing happen now tonight. How do you expect people to sleep? How do you expect people to cope? This is the problem that we are passing through. This is why we will not fail raising up our voice for the needful. This thing got to stop. In fact, in case you don't know, yesterday there is also an alarm that was blown off where they said that Mnk'S Kanu, the DSS said they no longer have money to take care of Mnk'S Kanu. They don't have money anymore for his feeding, for medication, and so many more. So according to the report, the family could not leave their son to stay hunger. The family could not leave their son to suffer. They raised 1 million naira yesterday and they gave it to the DSS for Mnk'S Kanu's feeding and medication. What else could they have done? Nothing. Rather to look for money and make sure Mnk'S Kanu is okay. And today, they threatened again. In fact, they get to their own doorpost. The environment, they get to their own doorpost, the gate to the entrance. The same thing that happened in 2017. That is what Mnk'S Kanu can remind people or remind the world that the same thing that happened, this is how it all started also. And now, the family of Mnk'S Kanu, they are now living in fear. The brother is not telling you that if anything happened to any member of the family, the federal government of Nigeria should be accountable for it. Oh my goodness. What is all this? So from one to another, this is when unity comes up. Because if you see what is going on, it is obvious. Even the DSS, the police, the federal government of Nigeria, they knew that the IPOB family, they are not in good terms at all. They are even suing themselves with the same offense. They don't even talk truth to themselves anymore. If you look at what is happening, you see that all attention has been taken away from Mnk'S Kanu for some time now. And the attention was shined to the family of IPOB, like fighting each other, suing each other, writing petition here and there, just for them to do what? To start their normal saga. And in the midst of this, the DSS say, yes, we've caught them. Now that they are fighting themselves, there is nothing more. After all the exposition, in the midst of this, DSS strike. When there is a problem, who suffered it? It's Mnk'S Kanu. I am telling you, he's the one that suffered everything. If it's good, he will enjoy it. If it's bad, he's the one that is in their nets. So they use it against him right now. That is what is happening. I am telling you the truth. The problem that was caused 5 days or 3 days ago is as a result of what Mnk'S Kanu is passing through today. That is why everybody needs to be very careful whatever you are doing and whatever you proceed out of your mouth. Because even when the police comes to arrest you, they will tell you whatever you say that's on your mouth will be used against you in the court of law. Now, they are now using the words from IPOB members now in the court of law. Now, to treat Mnk'S Kanu. This is the situation that we are right now. So, my Kabbalistic people, thank you so much for tuning in. I just said, let me give you the update that these people, they are already in Umuahia right now trying another Operation Python dance, but God will not allow it because the innocent citizens that should celebrate Christmas in peaceful environment are now running for them life. So I said, let me bring you the update for you to know what is happening, and you should be current of every latest update. Remember, I will keep on bringing it to you as I have all the update. Don't worry, you will regret. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.